Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show how to customize invoice time reports in Clerk. In the Clerk Invoices app we can create invoices based on time logged in Jira or Tempo. In this case, for each time baseline the app shows time report. This time report looks like this. And of course we can customize it. Each invoice or invoice template has invoice layout connected. This invoice layout defines look and feel of the invoice and time report. To customize it, we need to click Edit. Here we can decide if we want to show time reports to clients or not. And we can set the fields that we want to see in the time report. And we can define the hierarchy of these fields using drag and drop. And we can customize time report mockup. This mockup is used when we share the time reports with clients by a secret public link or when we export them to PDF. We can click Edit and use Visual Editor to edit the mockup. We can drag and drop blocks here and we can use variables to insert real invoice data into the mockup. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.